the dark web. For some, that phrase sparks images of masked hackers and underground marketplaces, but in reality, that's just a small corner of what it holds. The dark web is simply a concealed section of the internet, invisible to search engines like Google and inaccessible through standard browsers. Most people have heard of the dark web, but a few truly understand how to access it securely. The internet isn't just one big space, it's built in layers with three individual levels: the surface web, the deep web, the dark web. And the surface web is that what most people use daily. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and all easy searchable and indexed by search engines. In this video, I'll show you how to access to the dark web safely, protect your data, and avoid the biggest risk. So let's dive in. Understanding the dark web is a part of the internet that isn't indexed by Google. It runs on encrypted networks, means you need special tools like Tor to access to it. So if you are using Linux, just a few simple commands and you will get access to the Tor network. But if you are using and running Windows 11 or Windows 10 environment, then you're gonna go to Google and follow the basic instruction to install the Tor browser. Now let's go back to Kali Linux. To access to dark web without having any risk or fall as a victim, you must be confident about changing your IP address and make it encrypted. That's why you must be confident that you activated all the Tor browser servers. Why you must be confident about getting Tor browser activated successfully without having any issues? It's well, the answer is super simple. It's because of, if you take a closer look at here, you're gonna find a lot of leaked data and you must deal with some encrypted tools and you're gonna search in the dark web with keywords to find encrypted keys. So getting inside the dark web isn't that easy as you might think. And I know if you take a look at and you just search it inside a lot of tutorials and videos to tell you how to get inside the dark web, but in this video I won't be confident about keeping you in the safe side before getting inside these tools deeply without putting you in any risk. And after all, you can't change someone who doesn't see an issue in their actions. So all your activity here on this video, it will be your own responsibility, and I am not responsible of any illegal activity of your actions. You will see more and more about how to get inside the dark web, but let's focus first on how to keep you safe. And more videos will come to show you how to protect yourself first before starting anything. I hope you find this video was useful and I will see you in next videos.